Hello Sprinter people, how's everybody doing? Alright, so today I'm having an issue on my Sprinter, and this video is basically how to diagnose a P0171 code. P0171 code. So for the past couple weeks I've been hearing this hissing sound whenever I accelerate, you know, very like loud hissing sound, which used to not be here before, and I don't know what it was, and kept driving for like a couple weeks thinking I'm gonna go to the mechanic and get it checked out. And today finally the check engine light came and start even making more kind of weirder noise, and now look what I found. I came under, so when I did some Google search, and it says, you know, that's most likely related to some vacuum leak. So all you have to do is just check all your host connections, you know, if there's any torn area or stuff like that. So what I did is, yeah, I looked up on the top first, and I didn't see any broken hose or anything. But look what I found. I don't know what this is called here, but it's just right next to the air conditioner, the compressor, you know. Look at this. This is torn here. See this hose? This is torn. That's what's causing it. So yeah, P0171, definitely on a Sprinter or any vehicle, is definitely check your hose, especially if you're hissing sound. It's definitely vacuum leak, some broken hose somewhere. Hope this helps. Alright, I'm gonna replace this and get on the road. Ciao.